In a forgotten valley, veiled by morning mist and ancient trees, a narrow stream wound its way through the earth like a silver ribbon. This was no ordinary stream. Villagers spoke of it in hushed tones, saying the water held memories of the past and whispered secrets about the future. It was said that if you listened closely, you could hear the stream's voice, carrying wisdom for those who dare to hear. One evening, just as the sun dipped below the horizon and shadows began to stretch, a restless young man named Arin arrived at the stream's edge. His heart was heavy with doubt, his mind clouded by failure and uncertainty. He had chased grand dreams only to find himself lost in the vastness of the world. To him, the stream looked small and powerless, like his own efforts, easily forgotten. As Arin stared into the quiet water, an old woman appeared from the shadows, seemingly part of the night itself. Her eyes gleamed with knowing light, and in her hand she held a smooth stone, dark as midnight, but polished by time. "Throw this stone into this stream," she said, voice soft yet firm, "and watch carefully what unfolds." With hesitation, Arin took the stone. It felt heavy with an unspoken weight. He hurled it into the stream. The stone skipped once, twice, and then disappeared beneath the surface. For a moment, nothing seemed to happen. Then ripples began to spread. Tiny waves that grew and stretched, touching every corner of the stream's winding path. The woman's voice broke the silence again. The smallest ripple can travel far beyond what the eye can see. Each stone thrown changes the stream little by little, shaping its course. But how can something so small like a ripple matter in a river so wide? How can my small actions matter in a world so vast? Arin asked, a voice tinged with frustration. The woman smiled mysteriously. The stream doesn't rush, nor does it push against the stones that fall into it. It flows with patience, embracing every ripple. Change is born from persistence, not force. You may not see the impact today, but every ripple you make touches lives, shapes destinies, and leads the way for the currents to follow. She reached into her claw and pulled out a tiny seed. Plant this seed by the stream. Tend to it with care. It is a symbol, a promise that small, consistent efforts can grow into mighty things. Arin planted the seed in the soft earth beside the stream. Days turned to weeks and weeks into months. The seed sprouted slowly, first a delicate shoot, then a sapling, and finally a strong tree that stretched towards the sky, its roots entwined with the stream's ancient soil. Throughout this time, Arin found his own life changing. He began to understand that greatness didn't require a single moment of glory. Instead, it was born in the quiet acts, the repeated ripples that build a current too strong to stop. Every kind word, every brave step forward, every failure faced with courage was a ripple in the stream of his life. One night, years later, Arin returned to the stream, now a man transformed by time and wisdom. The tree he had planted stood tall and proud, its branches sheltering the valley like a guardian. The stream flowed gently beneath it, carrying ripples from stones thrown long ago, spreading light through the valley's darkness. Arin knelt beside the water, feeling a calm he had never known. The ripple in the stream had become a wave, and that wave had shaped his journey and the journeys of those who came after him.